Welcome to another Drupal 8 video. In this video we're going to install a basic Drupal website on Ubuntu 16. We already installed Apache, MySQL and PHP. Let's get started. First we download Drupal 8. We go to drupal.org. Takes a while. Drupal.org. And we choose download and extend. Here we download the latest version, in this case 8.4.4. I download the tar.gzip, but if you're on a Windows you might choose the zip file. Downloading takes a while. I'm on a virtual machine, so everything takes a little longer. And we're done. And now we go to the downloads folder and copy the tar.gzip in the var w directory. Oh, we don't have write permissions, so we're gonna fix that first. Go to the terminal and we go to the var www directory. No, we better go one back, and we change the permissions for the www directory, and the slash of the -r means including the subdirectories. Now we can paste it, we extract the file, and we have a Drupal folder with all the basic site files. You Ctrl H to copy the hidden files, go to the HTML and paste the files in here. Now we hide the hidden files again. We go to the sites default directory, and we need to copy the default settings PHP file and rename it to settings PHP. Settings is PHP. Now I add a folder files, because somehow my site doesn't make it on its own, and we should get a Drupal installer on the local host now. There we go. We keep English, in my case we use standard installation, and now we get the errors. We need to install a few PHP Updates Additions. There were 4 in my case, so we're going to install them now. Start with PHP GD. The second one was curl. And string was missing. This only takes a while. the XML is needed. Restart the first service, and yes, it's all installed and we don't have any error messages. Now we need to enable the mod rewrite Apache module. We restart the service again. No. First restart the service. And now we need to change one line in the Apache configuration file. apache2.conf. Near the bottom of the file you should see the section for the www directory. Here it is, and we need to change override to all. Save this, close the file. Now we restart the Apache 2 service. Nothing went wrong. So when we go back to localhost, start the installer again. English standard. We only have 2 error messages left. We go to the var HTML sites default directory, and we change the write settings for the files directory. Change mod 777 files, and we do the same. Try again. Yes, we do the same for the settings file, because it doesn't have write permissions also. Sudo change mod 777 settings.php, and when we do a retry, we should be okay. Yes. Database name. In my case, I'll choose Drupal 8. You can choose anything you want. Your database username, database password. I never save passwords. And now Drupal is generating the database tables. This might take a while, so we have to wait. And we're done. Now Drupal is installing the core modules. This takes quite a lot of time because I'm on a virtual machine. But it should be done in a moment. and 40. We're done. Now there's only one step left. When this last one is a bit yes. Now all we have to do is configure some basic settings for the site, like the site name. I will call it Drupal 8 tutorial series. You have to provide a email address. This one is a bogus one. You should pick a email address which is valid. I use my name, Dinant, and a password, because this is, we choose the country, in my case Netherlands, time setting Amsterdam, and the last option is whether or not you want the updates automatically checked. We are uncheck it, but you can leave it checked if you want. Now we have our site with our site name, Drupal 8 tutorial series on the top, and you can extend and change the site the way you like. Well, this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay updated on new videos to come. Thank you for watching.